Hi there, Mark Man 1961 here. Just a quick bit of lock picking. We've got a Squire number 39. Can't see it. Let's focus there. Do stuff. There you go, number 39. We're gonna. I'll show it working. Okay, there's access self-storage, so okay, I'm going to put the tension bar in, bit of tension clockwise, bit of a rake. We're going to use gentle pressure, just gentle, reset out. There she goes. There's one anyway. Thought that was going. It never does it when I put the camera on. Okay. There it is. Clicks it open. Job done. Not really much finesse, but it shows you how easy they are to open if someone wants to. Okay. Thanks for watching.